Hi, it's Wesley with Expandacraft again, and I'm here with my friend Takao, and he's going to show you this Hobie. Now, what year model is this Hobie?
I think it's 2002.
2002, so that's an old Tandem. And sorry about the shadowing here, guys, but we've put a single-sided Outrigger kit from Expandacraft, 12 foot, and we're going to show you a little bit about the installation here. Actually, I'm going to go show you in quite detail. Every boat is different and every boat owner is different. You see we have another extra rail over there. Can you tell them what is that going to be?
This is going to be the rail for installation of solar panel, which provide extra juice for my trolling motor.
Alright, so we're going to have an electric powered, so no decking for him on this because he's going to have it covered up. Now, we had to do it a little creative here. And these are the runner rails. That's this rail here is the runner rail. Now we've got the quick release system on the runner rails and bolts on the risers. So the bolts are not going to come off. You can just take these pins, pull the pin, and remove the runner rail and the 12-foot outrigger. And you can also, of course, remove this pin, the wood peg, and take the parts off. You just slide underneath like so. This runner rail system is what we use on the Hobie fishing kayak with the pedals. His name escapes me, but I've done a bunch of them. Pro Angler, that's what it is. And now see, now this one is farther back than the one in the front. So it's not absolutely in the center of the boat. And the stern is slightly longer than the Hobie's stern. That was by design because he's going to have a lot of weight with batteries and motors and him in the back with only his wife up front. So strategically he decided to do so. But if he wants to change that, you can see the runner rails have more aft and forward. So all you need to do is drill 4 new holes in your runner rail and relocate that hull wherever you so desire. Now, getting back to the connections here, let's get one that's in the sun. There we go. Now, here we have expanding rivets. They're a different type of rivet. They expand with a big flange on the back, a very special rivet, very strong, and just quick release on the bolts that hold this together. Now, the flanges do stay permanently mounted to the kayak. Not much you can do about that. You could actually reach that one with that hatch with your hands and do bolts underneath, but so when it's not with the outrigger, you will have those flanges attached to the kayak. Not much of a way around that, and it is quite sturdy. This thing, you can jump up and down on it, but you're not going to break it. Now, it doesn't interfere with where the seats are, and this quickly disassembles. And how long do you think this took us to put together?
For installation, it's longer, but...
No, I mean, yeah, the installation. I'm asking, how long did we spend on the installation?
2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Yeah, and we weren't like rushing. Yeah. We took time and had a little lunch.
We were rushing, yeah.
Yeah, and I got a nice walk all the way to the barn, back and forth for tools.
If I need to put it on water, probably just 20 minutes, I can put them together on.
Probably not even that. Yeah, out of the back of the van, which is really cool. It's going to fit that thing all up in there. So no trailer needed for this Hobie. All right, folks, there it is, 2 hours. No special tools, just drills and a rivet gun. You just have to make sure that you take your time to get the holes drilled perfectly level. And if you have a drill press, that really helps. But also to show you that I can't pre-drill all the holes for your kayak kit because I don't know where your holes are going to need to go, because every kayak is different. Even two kayaks of the same brand, different years, they have different things and gadgets where they put on these kayaks, and you know, so I can't just drill it for every single kayak. And this is it, a Tandem Hobie kayak with the foot pedals and the Expandacraft Outrigger.
Can't wait to test it.
Yes, happy customer. We love it. Oh, by the way, we wanted to show quickly that this is the only product you want to use on the joints of the Expandacraft. because it dries nice and slick, and it doesn't attract sand and grit. Any kind of grease would actually just attract sand, and then you're grinding away at your plastic. Well, that's it, folks. Expandacraft.com. Look us up and give us a call.
All right.